Having trouble to draw legs? In this video we are going to show you how to draw and paint those beautiful legs. Oh yeah, legs, chap, legs. So let's go. Woo! First things, you need to understand that your biggest bone, I'm not talking about that, not that type, okay? I'm talking about your biggest bone is right here, and his femur. Do you need to know the names? No, you need to understand where they are and what they do and how they work. Okay, you got this big bone here because it's to support all of your body, all of it. And why that's so big here and not here? Because it's close to the base. Close to the base, things get bigger. Look at your pelvis. Look at the size of this bone. See? Gigantic. So here you got two little bones. That's why your leg got these curvatures here. Because the way the muscles are wrapped around it make it look like wee, wee. That's right. Here, you got little bones. You don't need to know the name. I don't want to get you confused. I want to get you to draw those legs, okay? So, do you like booties? I know you love it. So, big muscle here. Big, gigantic muscle here. The booty. Gluteus maximus. It's Maximus, you know? Everybody love it. Okay, so there is some small muscles going here. Medium, small, medium. You don't need to know them, but if you want to draw a muscular guy, if you want to draw this kind of leg, it's the best for you to know a little bit more, you know? It's good for you to just have this image right on your side while you're drawing. I truly recommend that. Not only that, we need to understand also this muscle, it's one muscle, but they are like twins. So they are like, oh, almost the same, okay? They are like twins. Do you see here? One here and the other here. And there is one in front of your leg here, above the tibia. Nobody can see that because too small. So, what I wanted to show you just by saying, oh, there is this here, there is this here. For you to remember in the bottom of your heart that there is a reason that the curvature exists. So don't you dare draw those legs like this, okay? First thing, don't draw them straight going down. Don't. Your legs are not straight. They're not straight. Your knees tend to go together and your ankles, they tend to go outside. That's how your body balances. See, I did not make it totally going straight, but because of the curvatures of fat and muscle, this here, fat and muscle, it looks like the leg is completely going down straight, and the feet with this part here, oh, it's going completely down. And some people may do a little curvature here, and they go like, why there's a curvature here? Well, there is this muscle here that it just crosses your leg. This is what lets you open and close your legs for yoga, okay? This is what lets you open and close your leg for yoga, just passing like here, right here. This is why some people make a little bit of an accumulation right here. So I also talk about the fat that, you know, if this leg did not have fat, you would be seeing it like this, the curvatures, you would be seeing like this. You would totally be seeing like this, just like this muscle image. Not red like this muscle image, but the same curvatures, you know? The same curvatures. You don't draw like a separated line, only if you're drawing like nude. Even nude, the perspective, the pose of this character. It's a real life image, guys. The pose of this character. You can just do it straight, a straight C. Do you see a C here? Okay, remember gesture. Start always by gesture. Go to the side. A cylinder. Do you see this? Cylinder. Cylinder. Think of a cylinder. Erase this part. Nobody needs that part. Okay, cylinder. Butt and waist. Butt, waist. Waist, butt. And then the knee. Knee. It's like an eye because it's triangle with a circular shape. There's like an eye here. Okay, think that there is an eye here. That's even more simple, okay? Pretty simple. Can really learn from that. There is an eye in the knee. Yeah, do the details for it to become more simple. Okay, then you do the cylinder. Big here, just going down here. Getting smaller here. The same cylinder, okay? Same cylinder. What is going to happen? First of all, we got the knee right here. We are going to start from the knee again, okay? We got the knee. Make the format of the knee a little bit stronger because the muscles are going to block everything here. The muscles take out everything. Here it's going to get gigantic. And then you get a little pass of muscle here. And then, from what I'm looking right now at the reference and observation, ability, skill that I'm using, you can just keep going, okay? Can just keep going normally, okay? These two divide your leg. So here is born another muscle. Yes, another one. And it's also gigantic. And the feet, well, the feet does not grow just because you got huge muscles, sorry. So it's still the same. If you want, you can draw some veins in the middle. I'm picking the color here on her shadow. On her shadow, yeah, simple. And you draw mine. Remember to clip mask your layer in the base, okay? Oh, how you do it? Click here. Enable mask, okay? Enable. Here's showing for release because I have already done. Pick the brightest color that you see on her skin. And now we start to do the light. Yeah, the light. Remember, make the passage of it so it doesn't look like there is no passage. Skin got gradient. Love this leg, love this leg, love the leg. Do you know something else that I love? You hitting the like button, subscribing, and being here for more legs, because next tutorial we are going to draw, yes, animal legs. Animal legs, furry legs, yes, we love it. So why not just get in the train of champs and keep here with us. And remember, you are awesome, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye bye, champ! Woo!